You want to see how I got this super cute, natural looking style? Because this hair, chef's kiss. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am putting a U-part wig on. I am giving my hair a break from actually getting quick weaves, only because I've noticed they've been snatching my edges. Literally, I'm going bald on my temples. So I figured I would just take a break from the quick weaves and make my own U-part wigs. The hair is kind of coming back in. I've been using some Miel hair oil. So this is fun. We're just gonna make our own wigs like we used to. So this is fun. Today I made a wig using UNice's Yaki straight. So it just looks like this, really pretty, really long. It's 24 inches. I used almost 3 whole bundles. The bundles are really full. I didn't want to use all of the hair. I have 4. I just knew I didn't want like a really full wig, but I wanted like a nice dense wig. So I glued the hair on a dome cap, sewed some clips and some combs, and we're about to put it on. But first I did record me making this a few steps, so we'll just include that here, right here. So yeah, back to the wig. I don't have a breakdown, as you guys can see. I need one desperately, but you ever just like don't know what you want to do with your hair? It's just too many things to do. You just don't know what you want to do. So that's kind of where I'm at. Like, I want to wear everybody's hair. I want to put everybody's hair in my head, but I only have one head. And then I also want to wear my natural hair, but then I also want my edges to breathe. So we're here. It's really a process. After you make the wig, you want to make sure it fits and all of that. So yeah. Now I'm going to section off my leave out. We don't need too much. Yeah, we're gonna see if this works. All right. Perfect. And then we're gonna attach our combs. So the hair is firstly washed, and then I blow dried it straight. So this is, oh no, hair. So this is what we are working with. The longest length, let me fix my clothes. The longest length is 24 inches. So I have two 24s and then a 22 at the top. But I almost want to cut it. I kind of want like a blunt look. But this hair is thick. Yeah, I kind of want to cut it to like here. I ended up cutting it on the mannequin head. Oh my god. I'm not cutting nothing else, okay? Every time I cut something, it never turns out right. Okay. Is it just me? Or is it still crooked? Oh my god. We're gonna curl it and camouflage the crookedness, and then I'm gonna get a professional, aka my mama, to fix us. So to fix us. The hair is gorgeous though. It is a Yaki straight texture, so it just looks like blown out silk pressed natural hair. It's really, really pretty and thick. It's really thick. You could probably get away with 2 bundles, no lie. So this is just snagging my hair somewhere I don't like. Okay, so I'm going to try to curl the mess I made, because I'm not cutting it. So we're just gonna have to, is this what I want to do? I want like the little flip look. That's cute! Okay. This is what I want. It's so cute. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna take this in little sections because the hair is thick, like I said. Yeah, I'm gonna curl this up. Love this part. Oops. I curled one piece up. This is adorable. Okay. Adorable. I'm just too giddy, okay? Cutting this hair was a task, but curling it is easy. This is adorable. It's so stinking cute. Okay. The hard part is gonna be making sure I curl up every piece of hair, which I think I did. This is so stinking cute. That's what it looks like. Alright, so now to blend our leave out. Like I said, it's already straight, so there really shouldn't be much that I have to do with it. It just blends right in. I am gonna go over it with a flat iron though, but pencil flat iron. So cute. Okay. Are we loving it? The only thing is these are flipping the opposite way. Then I'm gonna go in with a little hair serum to kind of tame some of the frizz and flyaways. This is the look. It's kind of hot in my bathroom and my edges are already like a mess. But here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to list all of UNice's hair information. Let me make this a little, I feel like, there we go. Okay, this is better. Yeah, I can tuck it. I can't wait to wear this hair with like an actual braid down, cause the length is like so cute and natural. I might have to like put rollers in it overnight if I want to keep the flip and have it stay all day. Or I should use some hairspray. But I love it. Looks very natural. The texture is my fave. You guys know I love like a kinky straight, yaki straight. Any kind of kinky yaki texture is my favorite to blend with my hair, because you really don't have to do a lot. You don't have to do anything at all, really. But yeah, this looks like my hair. Wait. And I love that I could take this off if I wanted to. My edges are protected. Because for some reason, when I wear quick weaves, it's like as they get older, they start to pull backwards. So my edges are being pulled this way. And literally, it's been doing my edges dirty. But yeah, this is what the hair looks like. So stinking cute. It just looks so natural. My natural hair, it's a mess. But yeah, love this. And I will see you guys in my next video.